I've got something to show you today that is fantastic. YouTube has been testing out some mini thumbnails on chapters, and I spotted this a week ago and then they disappeared and they're back again today. Woohoo! So here I am on one of my videos. Now you can see here in the sections, these are the chapters that I have set up. If you haven't set up chapters, it doesn't matter because YouTube will do that for you. As I scroll down in my description, you can see here are the chapter markers that I've put in. And then as I go past all of my text, look what's at the bottom. Woohoo! I'm very excited by this. These are the chapters in my video, and you can see 5. If I click the right arrow, you can see there's another 2 after that. And so what I've done is I have edited the names of each chapter so that they show up nicely in here. And the way I did that, I just logged into my YouTube account. I went to this video and then went into the description, and then I changed the text here for each one so that it fit nicely into the sections below. And I think this is fantastic, and I'm not sure when YouTube is going to have this available for everyone, but right now I'm loving it. I just wanted to share this with you today so that you can see it too. Now, I must point out though, when you first go to any video, there is a show more option. This is the only way you're going to see these mini thumbnails. You must click on the show more for the description to see the entire description, and that's where the thumbnails appear. So as you can see, they're just above the show less clickable link. I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. This is Tina from TinaHughesOnline.com. Ciao, ciao for now.